guys, it's Cyla and welcome to Cyla Tries. If you're new here, this is just a place where we hang out, have a couple drinks, try new things. If not, welcome back. It's so good to see you. Today I'm going to be trying mermaid makeup. I made these for a party. These are gummy snakes. They're half sweet, half sour with Malibu rum. Okay, I'm tipsy. Today I'm drinking Michelob Ultra. So we're gonna start with this. Alright, redirecting because I have a lot of highlight on my face but you can't see it. So we're gonna go in with this. I want to be where the people are. See what they're doing. Look how fast it takes. I mean, what? It's like you can see the before and after of your brain when you're drinking. It's like before, you can think. After. It looks like I'm crying. Stupid. How does this dropper work? So you press it, it sucks it up, and then today's. I'm questioning my life choices right now. It's creasing where I crease. Where I crease? Where I crease? It's called wrinkles. Alright. I need a sip. Oh, I think it's working. How dare you cough in the midst of mermaids! I'm just feeding my brain more alcohol. It's my fast hand. Ooh, I sound like that creeper from Family Guy. It's my fast one. You wanna see? Ew. I don't know what I'm doing. But it's fun. It's gone. Oh, just my fast hand. Oh! Wonderful! Hello? I look like a witch now. Ooh, I like that pink. I wish you could see it. Shot, 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 shot. Remember that song? Everybody went crazy when that would come on. Sounds like a good time. Yeah, I just ate some highlight. What am I doing? Oh, scales. Hi. I'm quite proud of him. Where did we go wrong? Yeah, I'm a siren. Sorry. I didn't mean to be flicking you all off. Ariel. Ariel. Did I take that shot? I did. Give me all your money. Let's see what this mess looks like. I can't tell. Hold on. Ooh, actually, you know what? It worked. Wow! I mean, this isn't like professional, but like I'm impressed. Thank you, ma'am. Is that centered? I like this wig. It's fun. It'll stay. That's how you put the lash on. So slippery. I don't need mascara. Cause she dewy from the sea. L'Oreal. So this is the final product. Not too bad. I was thinking this was going to be a huge fail, but I actually like it a lot. I'm digging it. It's fun. It's highlight. It's sparkly. It's pink. It's purple. It's all the things we love. I wish I had some seashells, but I don't. I feel like a under the sea prostitute, you know? Yes. Okay, yes, I'm very happy with it. It was really hard to get everything to stick to my skin, but it's working and I love it and I'm so happy about it. Let me know how you feel about it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified of future videos. And stick around for another video. I love you guys. Bye!